Working alone, Mary can complete a task in 100 minutes. Shadia can complete the same task in 2 hours. They work together for 30 minutes when Ben, the new employee, joins and begins helping them. They finish the task 20 minutes later. How long would it take Ben to complete the task alone? Now, supposing you've read the question multiple times and understood and comprehended it, and now you know what exactly is required and how to go about it, let's start first, or you can first pause the video actually. Work it out. Let us know what you think the answer is in the comment section down below. So now let's start by converting their times to unit rates, making sure to convert the hours to minutes so that the units are matching, because here we were told 100 minutes and then here we are seeing 2 hours, 30 minutes, 20 minutes. So let's convert these times to 1 unit. Let us use minutes. So let's convert hours to minutes. So Mary takes 100 minutes to complete the job. Okay, then Shadia takes 2 hours. So for Shadia, we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Therefore, 2 hours will be 60 times 2, which will be equals to, so Shadia takes 120 minutes to complete the whole job. Then for Ben, we do not know the time he takes. Let's call it T. We don't know the time he takes to complete the whole job. So this T is in minutes. Okay? So now this is the minutes to complete the job. Okay? Now let's find the rate of completing the job per minute. So you can complete per minute. For Mary, her per minute will be, since it's 100 minutes, it will be 1 out of 100. Then Shadia will be 120, it's 120 minutes, so it will be 1 over 120. And for Ben, it will be 1 over T. So per minute, Mary completes 1 over 100. Then per minute, Shadia completes 1 over 120. Then per minute, Ben completes 1 over T. So in 1 minute, Ben does 1 over T of the job, Shadia does 1 over 20 of the job, and Mary does 1 over 100 of that total job. Now, remember they weren't all working together for the first half hour We were told here that they work together. So Mary and Shadia work together for 30 minutes. So those first 30 minutes, they were working just Mary and Shadia before Ben joined them. Okay? So in those first 30 minutes, they were working just 2 of them. Now to figure out how much those 2 completed during that 30 minutes, we'll need to remember that amount completed. So amount completed per unit of time is equals to, amount completed per unit of time times the number of units of time. This gives us the fraction of work done. This gives us the fraction of work done or work completed. So Mary and Shadia together complete 1 over 100 plus 1 over 120 in 1 minute, which is equals to, so here the LCM will be, so we have 100 and 120. Then divide this by 10. Here we have 10 and here we have 12. Divide this by 2. Here we have 5 and here we have 6. Divide this by 5. Here we have 1 and here 6. Divide this by 2. 1, 3. Divide by 3. 1, 1. So you multiply 5. Sorry, 10 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 3, which is equals to 600. So that is the LCM here. So the LCM is 600. Then 600 divided by 100 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 600 divided by 120 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So we have this, which is equals to 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 over 600. So Mary and Shadia, both working together, complete 11 out of 600 of the job in 1 minute. Okay? This is in 1 minute. Now remember, they work for 30 minutes before Ben joins them. That means if they accomplish this in 1 minute, that means in 30 minutes, so we said amount completed per minute times number of units. So amount completed in 1 minute is 11 over 600, then times number of units of time, which is 30 minutes. This gives us the total fraction of work done. So this you divide by this. 3 goes into 6 2 times, so we have 20. So this is equals to 11 over 20. So they completed 11 over 20 of the job in 30 minutes before Ben joined them. So if they completed 11 over 20 of the job is represented by 1. So 1 minus what was done, the fraction which was done, which is 11 over 20, this becomes, so this is over 20. This is 1 over 1. 20 divided by 1 is 20. 20 times 1 is 20. Then minus 20 by 20 is 1. 1 times 11 is 11, which is equals to 20 minus 11 is 9. So 9 over 20 is what was left, or is what was there when Ben came in to work with them. So now when they were 3, this is what they had to accomplish. Remember, we found that when Mary and Shadia work together, they accomplish. So Mary and Shadia accomplish 11 out of 600 per minute when they work together. Then for Ben, he accomplishes 1 out of T per minute. Now when they work all 3 of them, what they can accomplish in 1 minute would be 11 out of 600 plus 1 out of T. But remember, we were told that when Ben joined them, it took them only 20 minutes to finish the job. So that means if they did this in 1 minute, then what amount of work did they do in 20 minutes? Remember, it is 11 out of 600 plus 1 over T, rate per minute, then times the number of minutes which they took, which is 20 minutes. Here we can be able to get the fraction of work done, which will be equals to, when you multiply this by this, it will be, so 20 times 11 over 600 plus 20 times 1 over T. So this cancels with this to get 30. So we have 11 over 30 plus 20 over T. So this is the fraction of work that they accomplished when they worked 3 of them. So remember also we found that the fraction which was left was 9 over 20 after subtracting what Shadia and Mary accomplished in the first 30 minutes. When we subtracted from the job, we got 9 over 20. And now here, we are getting that when they work together, they accomplish this fraction of work. That means 9 over 20 and this are equal. So we equate them and solve, since they both represent the rest of the job. So we have 11 over 30 plus 20 over t being equals to 9 over 20. Now when we solve this, the lowest common denominator here is 30, t and 20. When you divide this by 10, here you get 3t, 2. Divide by 3, get 1t2. Divide by 2, 1t1. And then divide by t, you get 1, 1, 1. So 10 times 3 times 2 times t is equals to 10 times 3 is 30. 30 times 2 is 60. 60 times t is 60t. So 60t is the lowest common denominator. So we multiply this whole equation by the LCD, which is 60t. And therefore, we shall have 60t times 11 over 30 plus 60t times 20 over t being equals to 9 over 20 times 60t, which gives us, this cancels with this twice. So we are left with 2 times 11, which gives us 22t plus 60 times 20. This t cancels with this t. So 60 times 20 is 1200. So this is equals to, this cancels with this to give 3. Okay, so 9 times 3 is 27t. So we collect like terms. We take this 22 this side. So we have 1200 being equals to 27t minus 22t. So we have 1200 being equals to 27 minus 22 is equals to 5. So we have 5t. Divide both sides by 5. And therefore, t is equals to 240. Remember, we said that t represents the number of minutes that Ben takes to complete the whole job. So this is in minutes, okay? You shouldn't confuse. This is in minutes, since we had transferred everything into minutes. So Ben takes 240 minutes to do the whole job alone. Now, since there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, when you divide this by 60, t will be equals to 4 hours. So that means that Ben takes 4 hours to complete the task alone. So that's how you deal with these questions. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like, comment and share. Let us know what you think about these videos, and also, did you get it right? So give the video a thumbs up, and let's meet in the next video.